guys, it is 4:30 p.m. Monday, March 24th. I know I didn't vlog yesterday or most of today because I was just busy yesterday with family and visiting and getting to know my cousin who I haven't seen much in a very long time, but now he's going to be living up here with his wife and 2 kids, so he may become a regular over at the house, which is cool. And my dad came up to see him, which was also good. And yeah, and then today I was just working on projects, finishing my green sweater that I've been working on, which I do have to weave in the ends in it, this sweater. I have to weave in the ends and I need to wet block it, take all the stitch markers off, but the knitting part is done. So after the workday is completed, if it's not too cold out, we're going to go for a walk, and after dinner I'll sit and start weaving in ends. And then hopefully I can get it wet blocked and set to dry before Junior gets here in the morning, but probably during nap time. But sometime tomorrow. Anyway, I got all the videos edited and scheduled. I got today's daily drawing done. I got a lot of stuff done today, a lot of chores done. We basically had 2 family dinner nights 2 days in a row, and that's a lot of work. So yeah, anyway, it's been good. I'm just sitting here now watching YouTube while listening to Reddit stories, really. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get my Kindle, maybe read a little bit while we're waiting for Bob to get off of work, and then we'll see if it's too cold to go out for a walk or not. We do have some kind of warm days coming up, so we'll be taking advantage of that and being outside as much as possible, and we're having doors open. But before that and after that, we've got some cold days, so you gotta take advantage while you can. Anyway, I think that's it for the minute. I'll be back. As I said earlier, we're out for a walk. We're gonna just take a quick one, but it's about 67 degrees outside-ish, so very nice. We're having warmer temperatures for the next few days before it gets cold and rainy again, because you know we live in Oregon. So we're gonna enjoy it while we can. So I'm gonna go get some fresh air and see if I can get any cool pictures. I'll be back. Hey, so really quick, while Junior's out with Pop, checking the mailbox. It's babysitting day, in case you didn't get the clue. And I did get today's daily drawing done already. I'm going to, I finished my knitting project last night, and I have 7 project bags with needlework in them. And I could start another sweater, but I kind of have some amigurumi I want to make. In particular, I was thinking about making some bunnies from a pattern I just got from the library and doing them in brown, making chocolate bunnies because Easter's coming. So I think I'm going to do that. All right. Anyway, but we're going to work on that later. All right. That's it. I'm going to put some shoes on. My other shoes are in the laundry because they got very muddy, and I'll be back. You guys, it's 3:13-ish p.m. Wednesday, March 26th. I haven't vlogged before today because, first of all, I've been sitting making amigurumi. I made a chocolate Easter bunny. But I am also trying to keep myself busy and not get too anxious because we are expecting some severe weather, thunder and lightning, rain. I mean, I live in Oregon, so a lot of rain. Maybe hail the size of golf balls and tornadoes. So yeah. As soon as Bob has a chance, he's going to move one of the cars into the garage. We can't fit all of them. That's just not possible, just in case. If he can, the clouds are rolling in. We need to go to the grocery store. I don't know. but I'll let you know when I know. I'll be back. Thought when I walked out the door to get the mail, it's East Coast muggy out here. I don't think that's probably a good sign. It's no longer in the mid-70s. And the blue sky is gone. So I guess the storm really is coming. Hopefully it's not as bad as they say. All right, I'll be back. Everybody, it is Friday, family dinner night. March 28th, I think. I'm going to head out and run a few errands. The storm that was supposed to be horrible and hit Oregon never hit. We are having a little bit of wind gusts, but nothing concerning. Anyway, I'm going to go out and run some errands. I've got a few last minute things I want to pick up. I am sort of mentally and physically prepping for a couple of trips we have coming up in the upcoming months. And one of them is international. And I'm prepping my like art supplies in advance. I'm going to get a pair of nail clippers today in lieu of scissors and have that in my needlework stash, because there are sometimes that when you're flying, you don't want to bring scissors. Even though I have travel safe scissors at least in the US, I don't know that I would put those in my carry-on when traveling internationally. So anyway, we're going to do some things like that while I'm out and I have the opportunity. I also need to get some coffee. We like Tim Hortons coffee. Love you Canadians. And I know it might be like Maxwell House or something up there, but I love it. They seem to have some maybe at the Walmart in Sherwood. So we're going to go over there and got to pick up a couple groceries we forgot as per usual and all those kind of things. So let's get to it. Guys, I would say good morning, but it's lunchtime. It is Saturday, March 29th. And yesterday was so busy after I ran a few errands. It seemed like I sat down for 5 minutes to do some crocheting and maybe vlog, and the next thing I knew, it was time for family dinner night. And it just went crazy from there. But it was good crazy. So anyway, my dad and cousin spent the night last night after dinner, which I would prefer if and when alcohol is involved, that they don't drive. So they did that. Once everyone left this morning, I got a bunch of chores and errands done, including, the usual laundry and all that stuff. And then I sat down and I finished another amigurumi from this book that I'm working with. I'll put the name and title here. And then I finished The Lion. I did, of course, take liberty with the pattern, just like I'd have with the bunny and the bear, and did kind of my own thing with him. I found it easier to do a chain loop of 10 and then a single, a slip stitch, chain loop of 10, slip stitch for his mane, rather than how they do it in the book, because I just couldn't wrap my mind around how they do it in the book and get it. I couldn't do it. But I think he turned out really cute. So here he is here, front and back. Of course, I put little shorts, lederhosen on him and a bow tie because, so far I've dressed them all up, and I have a feeling whether the pattern calls for it or not, that's going to be a thing that happens. But yeah, I got the book initially from the library. I'm enjoying it so much that I got an ebook copy of the book. I kind of would like a physical copy, but the ebook is working. So yeah, so it's been really good. I am going to catch up on daily drawings right now and get those posted because I'm a day behind. When Mr. gets home, we're going to go do some grocery shopping. He is out at the Masonic Lodge, which is a historic building here in Oregon. And the brethren do some maintenance on the building all the time. They take care of the maintenance that they can. And this morning, my husband is doing some electrical work for them. We used to have an old house. He learned from my dad how to do electrical work. My dad's done electrical work like his whole life. Anyway, Don't know if that's an airplane or thunder. I think it's an airplane. Anyway, I don't know if you can hear that. So anyway, he's doing some lighting work over there this morning. He should be home in a little bit. And yeah, I think tomorrow we're going to go look at the cherry blossoms down in Portland. So yeah, it's going to be good. All right. I'll be back. May 29th or March 29th. It's March 29th. Just FYI. Got my daily drawings done. I didn't do so good on the shell that was yesterday, but it's okay. Little Mister's 2-year birthday present just came. His birthday's like in a week. I can't believe he's going to be 2. Anyway, a few days after his daddy's birthday, who we don't have a present for yet, so we have to go buy one. Anyway, I don't want to empty the dishwasher yet, so we're going to have a snack instead. Sounds like a good idea to me. You? Hey guys, it's almost 9 o'clock on Saturday.
Yep, 9 o'clock.
We got most of our errands done. We didn't get all of them done. And honestly, it was just because we were tired. We both forgot to bring water with us and we wanted to go home. So we did. And what have we been doing since we got home? Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Well, watching TV?
Yeah. Puzzles.
Puzzles. He's doing puzzles. I'm making another amigurumi. I'm making a giraffe from the same book I've been working through. I think this one's gonna have a skirt tutu thing on and maybe a headband with flowers. So we'll see. Anyway, I got one more leg to make and then I'm maybe
dots too.
Yeah. Yeah, I got to mix spots and dots and yeah, I got to all the things. Anyway, it's been a good day. It's been a good week. Busy as always. Hectic. Yeah, I get itchy a lot by the way. So, yeah, anyway. But I managed to squeeze some stuff in where I could, and if I can, you can. Next week will be just as busy. I have a running to-do list now these days cuz it's just kind of nuts. So, anyway, tomorrow we're going to go into Portland. We have a couple more errands to run, but we're going to stop and take a break, and we're going to go see the cherry blossoms. But that's for next week's vlog, so stay tuned. Anyway, that's it for right now. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the video description for ways to support the free content here on YouTube. And above all, go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. And we'll both see you next week. Bye, guys.